Hi everyone and welcome to Poppy DIY Crafts. So it is December and that means it is holiday season. So today I wanted to do something really fun. I found this really cute chocolate mold at Michael's and it has these little light bulbs on it. So I thought it would be really fun if we make some resin ornaments using this mold. And to fill it, I wanted to try something new. So I heard that you can actually use real sprinkles inside resin. And the reason is because once it's inside the resin and it's set, the sprinkles will be embedded and it won't go bad. So I want to give that a try. I have this pack here. It has 16 packs in here of assorted colors. So we're going to use this inside our little light bulbs. As for the rest of the supplies, I have 2-part epoxy resin, I have some cups and toothpicks or little stirrers, I have my little scale to measure out the resin, and also some eye pins. These are the screw type, and a little screw to make the hole once we're done. So let's get started. Let's start by mixing the resin. I'm going to make 50 grams, so that's going to be 25 grams of each part. I don't think we'll need a lot of resin because I'm going to be filling up the mold with the sprinkles. We're going to mix it up really well and then let it sit for about 10 minutes to let the bubbles rise up and then we can pop them. While we wait, let's go ahead and open up the sprinkles. Oh wow, look at this. So we have a few duplicates, a few of the same colors. Purple, yellow, green, and I think that's it. Next, let's fill each cavity with the resin. Now we can add the sprinkles. So we're going to stir it up with a toothpick so that the sprinkle is covered on all sides with the resin. Once all the sprinkles are settled, I'm going to just flame it real quick just to get rid of the bubbles on top. And I purposely left the top where the screw is empty. There, I'm going to add a few drops of alcohol ink and rich gold. Hopefully it settles and doesn't spread too far. Alright everyone, so it's been 24 hours and the resin is hard, so let's go ahead and demold. Let's pop it out. And oh wow, look at this. This looks super cool. Look at all those sprinkles. Okay, here's the next one. Here's the purple one. Here's another purple one. These are super shiny. Here's a pink one. Another pink one. Oh, this one turned out really good. Look at this. blue one. Another colorful confetti. A yellow one. Here's a green one. Orange one. And here's our last one. Another colorful one. Oh my goodness, you guys, just take a look. Aren't they pretty? Oh my gosh, I think it turned out so awesome. Next, we're going to drill a hole on the very top so that we can put the eye pin in. There we go, and we are ready to hang this little light bulb. Alright everyone, and we are done. So I strung up the little light bulbs and they look so cool. Just look at this. Oh my goodness, I love the way it turned out. I love all these sprinkles, they're so bright. So there are a lot of things you can do with these. You can make them into little necklaces, or you can string them up like I did and hang them on a tree. And here it is. Oh my goodness. Doesn't it look cool? Alright everyone, so let me know down below in the comment section what you think of this little project. Do you like the sprinkles inside the little light bulbs? And if you like this video, make sure to subscribe and I'll see you next time. Bye!